Hello friends, today we have in our English prosody one more method, that is dactyl. Dactyl originally it means from Greek finger. See this finger, this is. So here what happens, you will find this part is long, then followed by two short parts. One is long and two short parts, finger. So and there are three parts here. So dactyl is a three-syllable foot. Dactyl is a three-syllable, means finger. Finger, three syllables. And like the finger, it is, first one is long and short. So we will say like this, in English we mark it like this. So this is not. For example, it's a poetry. Poetry. So this is dactyl. That is stressed. Poetry. So we don't say poetry. We don't say. We say poetry. Understand? On the hill. Sorry. We can say that is the opposite of that. Dog is out. Dog is out. See, the dog is out. You are stressing dog, because it is, we have seen a noun. A noun that is, it's a content words. Remember I told you, content words are always stressed. Almost all the time. Understand? How are you? How are you? If you say like this, how are you? Now this is a dactyl foot. How? And these two are unstressed. How are you? How are you? Poetry. How are you? Dog is out. He is out. He is out. He is in. So these are dactyl foot. Dactyl. Told you like finger, no? This, you can see once again. This part is longer than these two. So longer, this is stressed, and these two unstressed. Don't worry much about this. Why, This is used only in Latin and Greek poetry. English, very few. S.W. Longfellow, he had experimented with this. Tennyson has done this. For example, see, in the charge of the Light Brigade, the lines half a league, then all in the valley of death. Tennyson has experimented with this. So I told you now, in the poem, all the lines are not dactyl. That's why I said half. See, the charge of the Light Brigade. That is the point we can look up. The charge of the Light Brigade. Now, what happens is you have got lines like this: half a league, half a league, half a league, half a league. So here you have find that this is half a league, half a league. Okay. But the next line is not. So I have taken the third line, all in the valley of death. All in the valley of death. So here is all in the valley of death. So one line is skip that, because that is not the whole line is not dactyl. That's why when I am giving an example, at least I should show you like that. Isn't it? So also you can see Whitman, Walt Whitman, famous American poet. He also has tried this, experimented with this in his when lilacs in the dooryard bloomed. When lilacs in the dooryard bloom, you see. There he has a line like this: down to the shore of the water. Down to the shore of the, then water and so on. So you will find two dactyl feet there. Down to the shore of the down to the shore of the water. See? It runs like this, dactyl. Understand? And dactylic hexameter means 6 feet. 6 feet. That means 6 into 3, 18 syllables in a line. 18 syllables in a line. Because each foot has got 3 syllables. So 6 feet, that is called a hexameter. Penta means 5. Hexameter. This dactylic hexameter is the meter used for writing epics like Iliad, Odyssey and Aeneid, Virgil's Aeneid and Homer's Iliad and Odyssey. It is very difficult even to translate that into English. That's not my opinion, but the opinion of those people who try to translate. So dactyl is, you will find dactyl feet, say in a poem, a few lines or so, that's all. 99% I can say that not even a single poem in English has been written in using dactylic meter, the whole poem. See, there may be some lines here and there, that's all. As I have already told you, the Longfellow experimented with this, Tennyson did it, Walt Whitman did it, and it is very solemn. So tang, tang, like this. That's it. Tang, tang. That's the moment. It's solemn and so serious also. Those epic poems are very serious. No? Iliad, Odyssey, Aeneid. Told you, used mainly only in Greek and Latin poetry. And even it is very difficult to translate that into English. I think that means you should have some knowledge about it. Now we have done I am. So the meters that we have done in English, one is I am. I am is leaping. This is the I am. Then you have got trochee. Opposite of that, you have this. Sorry. And yesterday we had a spondy. Spondy. That is, you have got 2 stressed. And now today we have dactyl. Dactyl. Dactyl is 1 stress, 2 unstressed. So 3, this is 3 syllable. A 3 syllable foot. And then the others are 2 syllable. And we have one more 3 syllable foot, and that is an appest that we will do tomorrow. Till then, bye. Have a nice time.